equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To start, ensure you have a Phillips screwdriver and a clean workspace. First, power off your Lenovo ThinkPad X1 and unplug it. Flip the laptop over and locate the battery release latch. Slide it to unlock the battery. Carefully remove the old battery from its compartment. Next, take your new battery and align it with the connectors. Push it firmly into place until it clicks. Now, secure the battery by sliding the latch back into the lock position. Before closing your laptop, take a moment to clean the internal area with a soft cloth. This helps maintain optimal performance. Once done, flip the laptop back over and power it on. Check that the new battery is recognized. If you need assistance, remember, we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. For your convenience, we provide pickup and delivery at your home. No calls, no travel, just a simple quote before repair. Keep your device running smoothly with these easy steps. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.